I don't know where the fuck that nigga went. He probably got a ride from me back home. Hey, yo, check it, yo. Don't make fucking snow over this. It's your boy B's on. God gonna, you already know what it is. I'm out here chilling. MGM motherfucking Apple store or whatever. It's just crazy. Niggas got to sit on their nose. Oh, nah. That's ugly. Anyway, fuck all of that. I got my nigga J Mobile with me and we out here. I'm smack. I'm fucking smack, nigga. You all ready. You all ready. My man's coming right here. Look, bro, is that Snooki behind us? Look back. Look, bro. Look, nigga, that's Snooki, son.
That is
Oh! That's fucking Snooki.
it's like it's
Talk to him.
chill with my nigga. Kind of.
Yeah, you already know.
It's like it's but he funny as shit. So you know this nigga you gotta be knowing this
Ready, you already know.
But we out here that's right. So fucking up. We got videos smoking stuff.
Biddies. They came through with the fire.
What's up?
Got the bop.
Black
Patrol
Penny.
got the fuck out of it. I'm
Controlling
talking
Black Penny.
stupid.
We was in there. It was crazy.
What the fuck we talking about right here, nigga?
So
Let the Bentley go crazy.
Look
Okay?
it up.
Hold on, let me say. Shout out to Lexington Slime. Shout out to fucking Johnny. Shout out to You Already Snow. Shout out to fucking Deanne McVille. Shout out to my niggas all over Norwich. Shout out to my nigga West. Shout out to my nigga Shy. Shout out to J Mobile. He right here. And shout out to the world, nigga. I ain't done. I ain't resigned yet. Still out shit. Boss.